Yeah, because I'm really hoping to make Jason have to redig this out, and I need your permission.
All right, so we show up today. This is our second inspection that we're doing on grading. And I think the inspector was just having some fun with me. Truthfully, I mean, that's how I viewed it. I wasn't quite sure if he was really being difficult or if he was just looking to have some fun and kind of mess me around a little bit. But he was calling out stuff that wouldn't normally be called out. You know, when you see something on a plan, you're usually just saying that's what's on the plan, that's what we're gonna do. But he was trying to like delve deeper into what the wording really means when we're talking about going 3 feet down. This is the soils investigation right here.
No, the approval letter was,
Yeah.
we can look at that.
The approval letter, this is the approval letter.
Can you get AGI on the phone?
Sure.
Which one is it?
Juan or Mike?
Mike?
Whoever did your, whoever submitted this. Not your soils tech. An actual engineer from the company.
I believe he's an engineer. Yeah. If not, he can give us to Juan.
Hello.
Hey, Mike.
Hey.
Hey, I got the inspector here on.
Inspector Jenkins. I deserve my title.
Sorry.
Hey, how you doing? This is the inspector here for
1104 Via
1104 D Via de La Paz. Okay, I got a question for you.
Call the engineer. Make sure the engineer knew what he was saying and that he was approving just the 3 foot dig. And he was, I think he was just trying to have some fun with us and kind of pull my leg a little bit, especially because like we sit here on sites with cameras and we're doing the show and you know, all these things. I think he's just kind of having some fun. But if he wasn't, man, that's tough. Okay.